So when you start this journey towards reversing PCOS, you'll not only change the life you have right now, you will change your own life right now and many years ahead. But on top of that, you will also change the lives of your future children. Because the condition in your uterus and in your body in general will create or help create the health of your children, also even when they grow up and grow old. So that's what we're doing here, right?
Exactly. And what we need here is the small steps, the smallest possible steps actually, because that's what help us form the very, very strong and stable process. And sometimes when we look at the bigger picture, it can be overwhelming, because what we need to reverse PCOS, we need to reverse and normalize normal hormonal balance. And we have more than 50 hormones in your body, and that can be overwhelming. But you have to remember that in order to start this journey, you need to trigger change in a couple of the first hormones on the line. And one of the most crucial hormone here is insulin, because insulin downstream downregulates and upregulates different hormones of female health and of fertility. And that's estrogen, progesterone, HCG, testosterone. And all of those hormones, it's the hormones that normally, we when you probably try to take metformin or estrogen pills, you tried to make the change by putting the chemical pills in your body. But what we need to establish the normal organic change, because that's what works. That's what really works. Also, in the longer term, and that's what can normalize the health of your children that are yet to be born. And that's what we can do with small changes in your nutrition. That's because when we have a normal insulin sensitivity, it will also normalize the levels and the normal relationships between the other hormones that can affect the female health.
Yeah, and I feel that so much in my body right now, because I've been on the pill and I've been taking metformin for many years, and it didn't work because I was feeling tired and unenergized, and I knew I could feel that my body wasn't reacting the way the doctors wanted it to, and of course the way I wanted it to feel. But now all of a sudden, after I applied these natural ways of changing the condition in my body, I feel at ease. My body stopped screaming for something that it didn't get. So
yes, so when we make this change, what happens, the hunger hormone, that called ghrelin, the hormone of satiety, leptin, are also being downregulated by insulin. So when insulin sensitivity normalizes, very big changes happen. And it takes to start with small steps. And that's why our course, we are really proud of our course. And that's why we want you with us, to be with us on this journey. So we start the course, and the first 30 days you can have, or you have 30 days money back guarantee. It means that even if you went through the first, let's say 4 weeks, you still have possibility to have your money back if you are not completely satisfied. And during the first 30 days, you will get 4 weeks where you get information 5 days a week. It means 20 days of information about physiology of PCOS, why we can reverse it, how the science proves it, how we can make practical change into our way of handling, when we are at the supermarket, when we are planning what to buy, how to set up, how to make a meal plan, and different things. How we measure our health condition, and when it proliferates, our health starts to change. How do we measure that? All of those things you will learn during the first 30 days. So we want you to try this, embark on the course, and start making the change. If you are not satisfied, you are not risking anything. So follow the link below, subscribe on the course. Let's start on our journey. And remember that every single week you will have a possibility to have a personal feedback on your conditions, on your questions, on your problems every single week in our 2 months course. So Katrine and Misha here, we want to see you inside the course, and we want to help you to establish, normalize your own female health, and also help you establish a strong health of your future children.
We look so much forward.
Let's do it.